soy el fuego que...
This is Dave at a Finish Line Factory, and I'm here today with Devin from I Hunt for Cars.
Yes, sir.
And today we're at Prestige Imports. Look at this shit. And they're having the Exotics and Espresso car show today. And I'm going to go around show you some cars. Let's go. All right, so what do we have today? Of course, I've seen this before. Pagani Zonda F, which is not visible in the camera because of the sun. It's super hot outside, so it's my hair is just looking like shit. Let's see. Got a Karma Rivero. Hey man. There's a McLaren 675 LT right there. You know, why don't I flip the camera around, then you can get a better view. You don't want to see me, right? That's more like it. Look at this beautiful thing. Here's a Dodge Viper with carbon fiber spoiler. With a Cam Performante in the turntables. Ferrari California. Another 675 LT. There's the front of the Viper. Heritage Edition Ford GT. Oh, 997 GT2 RS. This is like a $600,000 car. And I like the spec in black. It really gives the carbon fiber hood, this flat carbon fiber hood, a very distinct look. We have a Diablo. What else is going on here? 488. And, oh, this is my buddy Cars, Watches, and More on Instagram. So this is Ferrari F12 for sale. Definitely liking the this dark red paint. You can see a lot of flake in it on these gold wheels. And gold on red is such a very nice combination. And a 911 Targa. I forgot. This is a nice color. I forgot the name of it. It's kind of like this very unique baby blue. And of course you have the hypercars. You have a Pagani Huayra. And I love this spec with this pearl white with the exposed carbon. You can see the adjustable front wings. Coming down here, Bugatti Veyron. Another Huayra. There are actually 3 Huayras, and if you include the Zonda, there are 4 Paganis here in the dealership. And a 918 Spider with the Weissach package. Look at this. Very beautiful. Let's head outside for a second. Just for a second because it's very hot. Look at this. Another Pagani Huayra. Told you there were 3. A LaFerrari. There's actually another LaFerrari in the showroom that I didn't show you. Also red. And another 918 Spider, though this one does not have the Weissach package. Coming around here, we have the Lotus Evora 400. Acura NSX, another NSX. Beautiful Corvette. We're coming up on the end of the line. Yas Marina Blue M3. Beautiful. It's actually slightly cooler than it was when I first stepped out here. It was terrible. This blue Porsche 911. See, this is a Cayman. Red 911. No, actually, I think this is a 911R. Check. Not sure. No, it just has the stripe scheme. This is actually a 997. Porsche. Pretty cool. Classic Porsche. And over here, Liberty Walk GTR. Very nice. Let's see. This chrome crazy wrapped Lamborghini Aventador. This also has a little bit of a tribute to Amy Winehouse. It's my friend Alan's car. What else is going on here? Over there they had coffee, donuts, food. Lamborghini Huracan, Aventador, Turbo S. Very cool. Oh, nice. Over here, an AMG GT or GTS. Oh no, I'm an idiot. This is an SLS AMG. It's a little early in the morning, forgive me. Black SLS AMG and an Audi R8 V10 Plus. Very nice. Here's an Aventador Roadster and an Aventador SV Roadster. Oh yeah, look at this. So here's the new Ford GT. This is Drag Time's new car, Brooks. And over here is the Stormy 56 Brian Stormer's Ford GT in all white, Stormtrooper spec. Seen this car a bunch of times. This is the first time for me seeing Brooks's car. I missed out on it last time he was here. Here he is. Beautiful spec. Kind of a racing yellow with a black center stripe. It's a very classic racing livery from the past, especially for Ford. See these flying buttresses leading back to this adjustable wing. Very nice. Oh, nice. We got a few more cars that have shown up. Here we have another 911 Martini with Martini livery. It's very popular. Looks like it. You got a GT3 RS, a Miami Blue GT3 RS. Let's see. This is a color called Chalk. It's kind of like a light Nardo gray, I guess you could say. Here's another blue 911 GT3 coming over here, GT3 RS, and Mustang GT350. Oh, even better. This is an RS 4.0. This is a 997. Look at this thing. This is a very rare car. Okay, so here's my friend's new GT4. Check this out. So they just got this car and they got it wrapped. So I believe the base color is gray, and then they added these this right here, this sort of a Tiffany blue kind of a color, mint green, to the rear and to the spoiler and the Porsche logo on the spoiler on the wing. And they also, let's see, the wrap continues here and is continued over this vent here. I like that. And then they have the black stripes and kind of a digital camo thing going on there. Coming up to the front, they have the wrap coming up to a V with a Tiffany blue and black V in the middle. So overall, it gives it a very nice sort of a race car-ish livery look. I really like this. Check this out. Especially with the more aggressive and bigger intakes and front end on the Cayman GT4. Looks like you just slap a number on it and you're good to go. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of the event. I'm going to be heading home. Actually, today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, tomorrow's Father's Day. So I'll actually head down and see my family for Father's Day, and then I'll head home. Probably watch the second half of the 24 Hours of Le Mans online. So catch you guys later. See you. Oh, and I forgot to mention, be sure to hit like, leave a comment if you have something you want to tell me. Make sure to also hit up finishlinefactory.com. We have fittings, hoses, all kinds of really awesome racing supply parts. Everything's high quality and tested. So here at the Mustang. Catch you guys later.